So why am I even looking at Chipotle Mexican Grill right now? While fundamental analysis definitely has its place, I personally rely on technical analysis, and this is mainly because it gives me a lot more consistency and measurable rules. I use a very simple method, very straightforward method, and that is a two filters approach. The first thing I do is I zoom out. I go on the monthly time chart and I observe the trend. In the case of Chipotle, we can see that since 2018, this stock has been on the tear. It has performed very well up until last year, where we see a significant dip. However, this trend has still been moving higher, and this is confirmed by an indicator that I use, which is the 10, 100, and 200 EMA. When they are aligned like this to me indicates that we are in an uptrend. What I then use is my second filter. And the second filter is where I wait for a pullback. I want the price to come down to a strong demand zone. Recently, we can see that the price actually reached the demand zone and started reacting. This is where I show interest, but I do not take action yet. Why? Because we can see two demand zones over here. One was this demand zone, which is established because there were very strong bullish candles formed that took a previous high. And then another demand zone below it, where we had something similar, very strong bullish candles taking out a previous high. The first one, had you followed it blindly and expected a reaction, it actually failed. The second one is actually reacting, but this is still not enough for a confirmation. My confirmation happens to be on the daily time frame. In this case, we zoom in, and what we do is we wait. We wait for a consolidation to happen in this area and for price to not only break above the 200 EMA, but to actually close above it. If that happens, then I'll start considering an entry. Until then, this is just me documenting what I'm watching and how I think about it. This channel is basically my decision log. If that's useful to you, then you'll probably like what I post. And in that case, I suggest you check out the channel. Until next time.